Dear everyone, Alvin here. Welcome to our channel. I will be teaching you guys Python programs in these videos. So let's learn without delaying. Here is the first program which has two questions A and B. Let's start with question A. Develop a program to read the student details like name, USN, and marks in 3 subjects. Display the student details, total marks and percentage with suitable messages. We write code using Visual Studio Code. First we check Python version and its presence in the system by typing Python version. In Windows systems, download Python installer and install. Now we create folder for our first program and name it as first lab program. And open that folder in Visual Studio Code. Then hover on the folder. We can see some icons at the right side of the folder. There is a button for creating new file. Click on it and it will show a text box to name the new file. Name it as studentinfo.py file, where .py is the file extension for Python program. Once after typing, hit enter and it's going to open the file to write Python code. Let's break down this simple Python program step by step. First, we ask the student to enter their name and USN, university serial number, using the input function. Print, enter student name. Name is equal to input. Print, enter student USN. USN is equal to input. Here input allows the user to type their details, and we store them in variables name and USN. Next, we take marks for 3 subjects and convert them into integers using int input. Print, enter first subject marks. M1 is equal to int input. Print, enter second subject marks. M2 is equal to int input. Print, enter third subject marks. M3 is equal to int input. Since marks are numbers, we use int input to convert them into integers for calculations. Now, let's calculate the total marks and percentage. Total underscore marks is equal to M1 plus M2 plus M3. Percentage is equal to total underscore marks 300 asterisk 100. We add up all 3 subject marks to get total underscore marks. Then, we calculate the percentage by dividing the total by 300, since each subject is out of 100, and multiplying by 100. Finally, we print the results. Print name, name. Print USN, USN. Print total marks, total underscore marks. Print percentage, percentage. This displays the student's details, total marks, and percentage on the screen. Simple, right? Running the code. Now that we understand the code, let's run it step by step and see the output. First, open your Python environment, Visual Studio Code, or any terminal, and run the script by typing Python studentinfo.py. Enter student details when prompted. Enter marks for 3 subjects. View the total marks and percentage displayed as output. Now it's your turn. Try this program and let me know if you get it working. Now we learn second part of the program B. Develop a program to read the name and year of birth of a person. Display whether the person is a senior citizen or not. Now we create another file inside our first lab program folder. Name it as senior.py file and start typing the code. Let's break this code down step by step. Taking user input. First, we ask for the person's name, year of birth, and the current year. We use input to get the data from the user. Print, enter person name. Name is equal to input. Print, enter year of birth. Year is equal to int, input. Print, enter current year. C_year is equal to int, input. Here input lets the user type their details, and we store them in variables name, year and C_year. Since the year values are numbers, we convert them to integers using int, input. Calculating age. Now, we calculate the person's age by subtracting the birth year from the current year. Age is equal to C_year, year. This gives us the person's age. Checking senior citizen status. Next, we use an if-else statement to check if the person is a senior citizen. If age is equal to 60, print name is a senior citizen. Else, print name is not a senior citizen. If the person's age is 60 or more, we print that they are a senior citizen. Otherwise, we print that they are not. Running the code. Now let's run the code and see it in action. Steps to run the code. Open your Python environment, Visual Studio Code, or any terminal. Run the script by typing python senior.py. Enter a name, year of birth, and the current year when prompted. The program will display whether the person is a senior citizen or not. Now let's try another example. And there you have it. Our program successfully calculates age and determines senior citizen status. Try this program on your own and see if it works. Drop your ideas in the comments.